Hello and welcome. My name is Julio Vanini. I'm a student for the CS50 Web Programming with Python and Javascript opencourseware from Harvard University. In this video, I will show you my answer to Project Zero, design a front end for Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. This video is divided into 7 parts. Each part showcases the answer to every specific requirement for this project. You can use the corresponding timestamp located in the description of this video to jump into a section of your interest. Let's go! This website consists of 3 hypertext files and 1 CSS file. You can spot the files in the upper left corner of this video. On the right side of the video, you can see the main index.html file already loaded. As requested, there are links to the other 2 HTML files in the upper right corner of the page. Also, on each one of these pages, we have a link to return to the basic search page. The main page shows a search box with rounded corners, similar to the one offered by Google's basic search page. The buttons for submitting the query are centered and below the input box. To test the page, allow me to paste the following query and hit the Google Search button. We can see the results of the query on the screen. For this requirement, let us click on the images hyperlink. The second HTML file loads and we can put it to the test. I'm going to use the same query from the basic search. And voila! Google replies with tons of images. Oh, who's this guy? For this requirement, let us click on the Advanced Search hyperlink. The third file is now loaded by the browser. We can see the requested 4 fields. Find pages with all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. And well, let's put it to the test. There we have the results. We can see that all fields are stacked vertically and the text is aligned to the left. Also, the Advanced Search button is shown with a blue background and white text. As seen from the beginning, I'm feeling lucky button was also added to the basic search, sharing the alignment and position with the Google Search button. Let's put it to the test. When we enter the corresponding query, the website receives a redirection warning as expected. In this case, the reply is in Spanish because, well, I'm from Latin America. For this requirement, I tried to mimic the corresponding properties for the text boxes, buttons, and colors used by Google's own search pages. Well, I hope all of the requirements have been fulfilled to your satisfaction. I'll be waiting for your feedback and grades. Thanks for watching.